Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Medical with Sanju. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nepal Nursing Council based model exam questions, that is NNC questions. So there are 150 multiple choice questions, each having 4 choices of which only one choice is correct. So you are supposed to fill the most appropriate one. The full mark is 150 and the duration is 2.5 hours. And the use of mobile and calculators are strictly prohibited. So you are not supposed to use that. So as I have told you earlier that there will be 150 questions. So suppose them as 100%. So from among those 100%, 5 to 7% questions will be from integrated science. Question be like question number 1. Read the following statements about cell and select inappropriate one. Option A, suicidal bag of the cell is called lysosome. Option B, protein factory of the cell is ribosome. Option C, the smallest cell organelle within the cell is nucleus. Option C, transport system of the cell is termed as endoplasmic reticulum. The right answer is option C, that is the smallest cell organelle within the cell is nucleus. Next question. Blood group is important for option A, diagnosis of blood disease. Option B, blood donation. Option C, blood transfusion. Option D, detection of AIDS. The right answer is option C, that is blood transfusion. Question number 3. Which of the following muscles assist in forced respiration? Option A, abdominal muscles. Option B, internal intercostal muscle. Option C, sternocleidomastoid. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Fourth question. The true organ of hearing is option A, tympanic membrane. Option B, round window. Option C, oval window. Option D, organ of Coti. The right answer is D, that is organ of Coti. Question number 5. The ability of the body to detect itself against scientific invading agent such as bacteria, toxin, viruses and foreign body is called option A, hormones. Option B, secretion. Option C, immunity. Option D, glands. The right answer is option C, that is immunity. Question number 6. A client went to emergency department with a possible brain damage as evidenced by loss of coordination of motor movement and staggering and wide-based walking. The client is most likely having damage in the option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, medulla oblongata. Option D, pons varoli. The right answer is option B, that is cerebellum. Question number 7. Which of the following is not considered a function of a skeletal system? Option A, support and protect body structure. Option B, storage of minerals. Option C, blood cell formation. Option D, synthesize vitamin D. The right answer is option D, that is synthesize vitamin D. Now from fundamental of nursing there will be 25 to 38% of the questions. Questions be like number 8. A healthy adolescent has meningitis and is receiving IV and oral fluid. The nurse should monitor this client's fluid intake because fluid overload may cause option A, cerebral edema. Option B, dehydration. Option C, heart failure. Option D, hypovolemic shock. The right answer is option A, that is cerebral edema. Question number 9. The correct sequence of steps of nursing is option A, assessment, implementation, planning, evaluation. Option B, assessment, planning, implementation, evaluation. Option C, evaluation, assessment, planning, implementation. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B. Question number 10. The effectiveness of nurse-client communication is best valued by option A, client psychological adaptation. Option B, client feedback. Option C, medical assessment. Option D, health team conference. The right answer is B, that is client feedback. Question number 11. One of the most important steps in the first aid management of poisoning is option A, keep the patient warm. Option B, immediately transfer the patient to health institution. Option C, inform the police first. Option D, none. The right answer is option B, that is immediately transfer the patient to health institute. Question number 12. Which container you must select to send urine culture test in pathology? Option A, an ordinary bottle is appropriate. Option B, must be sterilized container available in pathology. Option C, container with presence of regimen. Option D, a specially prepared container. The right answer is option B, that is must be a sterilized container available in pathology. Question number 13. The method which determines the density of various parts of the body from the sound produced by tapping with fingers is called option A, palpation, auscultation, option C, regurgitation, option D, percussion. The right answer is option D, that is percussion. Question number 14. The founder of ICN, that is International Council of Nurses, was option A, Miss Bedford Fenwick, option B, Miss Electra E. Greater, option C, Miss Florence Nightingale, option D, Miss Alice Price. The right answer is option A, that is Miss Bedford Fenwick. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a part of a nursing intervention during patient admission? Option A, orient patient to the hospital. Option B, confirm that patient understands diagnostic test and procedure. Option C, patient understands the nurse culture and environment. Option D, monitor patient's ability to ambulate immediately. The right answer is option C, that is patient understand the nurse culture and environment. Question number 16. Which need in Maslow's hierarchy reflects a desire for love, friendship, affiliation and group acceptance? Option A, safety. Option B, self-actualization. Option C, physiological. Option D, belongingness. The right answer is option D, that is belongingness. Question number 17. A child and his mother have gone to the playroom on the pediatric unit. His mother tells him he cannot have a toy because another child is playing with that. The child cries, throws a block and runs over to kick the door. This child is using a mechanism known as option A, displacement. Option B, compensation. Option C, denial. Option D, conversion. The right answer is option A, that is displacement. Question number 18. A registered nurse who works in the sterile field and performs a variety of functions during surgical procedure is called option A, circulating nurse. Option B, scrub nurse. Option C, anesthetic nurse. Option D, recovery nurse. The right answer is option B, that is scrub nurse. Question number 19. A client is having counseling for problems in communicating with his mother. Which of the model of stress would her nurse benefit the most from in difference to this stressor? Option A, adaptational model. Option B, stimulus based model. Option C, transaction based model. Option D, Challiers model of stress. The right answer is option B. Question number 20. While taking a sick person to the emergency of teaching hospital, you suddenly experience severe emotional feeling and become unconscious. When you gain your consciousness after a short while, the doctor attending you said that you had option A, cardiogenic shock. Option B, septic shock. Option C, neurogenic shock. Option D, hypovolemic shock. The right answer is option C, that is neurogenic shock. Question number 21. The position where patient lies on his or her back with his legs extended together, arms lies along the side of the body is called option A, dorsal recumbent. Option B, prone. Option C, supine. Option D, lateral. The right answer is option C, that is supine. Question number 22. Which of the following is the best method in assessing for the correct placement of the NG tube? Option A, X-ray. Option B, immerse tip of the tube in water to check for bubbles produced. Option C, aspirating gastric content to check if the content is acidic. Option D, instilling air in the NGT and listening for a gurgling sound at the epigastric area. The right answer is option A, that is X-ray. Question number 23. A patient in a rural community has lost 2 liters blood. There is no blood or albumin in the community. The patient is hypovolemic and hypotensive. What is the nurse most likely to do for this patient? Option A, 2 liters of normal saline. Option B, 2 liters of dextrose percent solution. Option C, 500 ml of hemaclacal. Option C, 500 ml of Hemacil. Option D, 4 liters of normal saline. The right answer is option A, that is 2 liters of normal saline. Question number 24. Comprehensive, individualized care provided by the same nurse throughout the period of care refers to option A, team nursing. Option B, primary nursing. Option C, home health nursing. Option D, critical care nursing. The right answer is B, that is primary nursing. Question number 25. The nurse check for residual administering of bolus feeding to a client with a nasogastric tube and obtain a residual amount of 150 ml. What is the appropriate action for the nurse to take? Option A. Hold the feeding. Option B. Reinstall the amount and contain with administering the feeding. Option C. Elevate the client's head at least 45 degrees and administer the feeding. Option C. Discard the residual amount and proceed with administering the feeding. The right answer is option A, that is hold the feeding. Question number 26. When the elevated body temperature falls gradually to normal, it is normal, crisis, lysis, chills. The right answer is option C, that is lysis. Question number 27. The purpose of barium enema is option A. To detect the presence of polyps or tumor of the large intestine. Option B. To assess the malfunctioning of the process. Option C. To diagnose ulcer or tumor of the stomach of esophagus. Option D. None of the above. The right answer is option A, that is to detect the presence of polyps or tumor of the large intestine. Now question number 28. First aid means option A. Treatment given to the victim on the spot with all medical facilities. Option B. Treatment given to the spot immediately before advanced medical or surgical facilities. Option C. Try to carry out necessary action by expert immediately. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is B, that is treatment given to the spot immediately before advanced medical or surgical facilities. Question number 29. If the client is kept on pulse oximeter, what will be the normal range of oxygenation displayed? Option A. 80 to 90 mm of mercury. Option B. 95 to 110 mm of mercury. Option C. 80 to 85 mm of mercury. Option D. 95 to 100 mm of mercury. The right answer is option D, that is 95 to 100 mm of mercury. Question number 30. During CPR, if your rescue breathing is appropriate, which finding will you get? Option A. Pupils are dilated. Option B. Chest rises when air is forced in. Option C. Heart sound is heard. Option D. Pupils are equal and normal in both eyes. The right answer is option B, that is chest rises when air is forced in. Question number 31. The toxins which are not absorbed to activate charcoal are option A. Strong acids and strong base. Option B. Cyanide salt, iron salt, lithium salt. Option C. Menthol and petroleum distillates. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 32. An unconscious patient came in your health center emergency. Doctor asks you take cardinal sign. Then you decide to record temperature from option A. Axilla. Option B. Mouth. Option C. Groin. Option D. Anus. The right answer is option D, that is anus. Question number 33. When a disaster occurs, the nurse may have to treat mass hysteria first. Which response indicates that an individual should be cared for first? Option A. Panic. Option B. Coma. Option C. Euphoria. Option D. Depression. The right answer is option A, that is panic. Question number 34. The three emergency situations where a casualty is especially at risk because of interference with vital needs are option A. Unconsciousness, head injury and diarrhea. Option B. Severe bleeding, unconsciousness and fracture. Option C. Wound, burn and unconsciousness. Option D. Lack of heartbeat or breathing, severe bleeding and state of unconsciousness. The right answer is option D, that is lack of heartbeat or breathing, severe bleeding and state of unconsciousness. Question number 35. Shock is a condition where option A. The respiratory system fails to deliver air to the lungs. Option B. The cardiovascular system fails to deliver blood to the heart. Option C. The circulatory system fails to deliver blood to all parts of the body. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option C, that is the circulatory system fails to deliver blood to the all parts of the body. Question number 36. A 25 years old patient present with confusion, increased salivation, lacrimation, fasciculation, meiosis, tachycardia and hypertension. Which of the following poison can cause this manifestation? Option A. Opium. Option B. Organophosphorus compound. Option C. Dhatura. Option D. Organochlorine compound. The right answer is option B, that is organophosphorus compound. Question number 37. If applied pressure does not stop the bleeding, you should option A. Apply a tourniquet immediately. Option B, apply pressure at a pressure point between the wound and the heart. Option C, apply pressure at a pressure point between the wound and the closed extremity. Option D, remove all blood soaked dressing, rebandage and elevate. The right answer is option B, that is apply pressure at a pressure point between the wound and the heart. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is not true regarding burn? Option A, scald is injury caused by moist heat. Option B, the most common form of burn is thermal burn, that is scald. Option C, electrical burn is most dangerous type of burn. Option D, acid burn is most dangerous than alkali burn. The right answer is option D, that is acid burn is most dangerous than alkali burn. Question number 39. Fracture is defined as option A, inflammation of bone. Option B, restriction of bony movement. Option C, loss of continuity in blood tissue. Option D, loss of continuity of skin and mucous membrane. The right answer is option C, that is loss of continuity of bone tissue is called fracture. Question number 40. The action that would be harmful to the client with insect sting is option A, ensuring open airway. Option B, keeping the client immobilized. Option C, pulling out the stingers and venom sacs. Option D, removing the jewelry from affected limbs. The right answer is option D, that is removing the jewelry from affected limbs. Question number 41. The most important part of treatment immediately after a snake bite is option A, reassuring victim. Option B, injection of anti-snake venom. Option C, application of tourniquet. Option D, incision and suction. The right answer is option A. The right answer is option A, that is reassuring victim. Question number 42. Acute circulatory collapse is a feature of which of the snake bite? Option A, cobra. Option B, Karaite. Option C, Russell's viper. Option D, Pacific Ocean snake. The right answer is option C, that is Russell's viper. Question number 43. The following type of injections are commonly used for the treatment purpose except option A, intramuscular. Option B, intradermal. Option C, intravenous. Option D, subcutaneous. The right answer is option B, that is intradermal. Question number 44. Immediate complications of drowning include option A, pulmonary edema. Option B, hypoxic encephalopathy. Option C, respiratory and metabolic acidosis. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Now from the community health nursing into 23% of the questions. Like question number 45 from community health nursing. Most sensitive index of transmission in leprosy is option A, incidence. Option B, prevalence. Option C, detection rate. Option D, disability rate. The right answer is option A, that is incidence. Question number 46. Chronic carrier state is seen in all except option A, gonorrhea. Option B, typhoid. Option C, hepatitis. Option D, measles. The right answer is option D, that is measles. Question number 47. AIDS develops in percent of those infected with HIV. Option A, 1%. Option B, 10. Option C, 50. Option D, 75%. The right answer is option D, that is 75%. Question number 48. Mother to child transmission of HIV. Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 60%. Option D, 75%. The right answer is option A, that is 25%. Question number 49. Action which halts the progression of a disease in early stage. Option A, primordial prevention. Option B, tertiary prevention. Option C, secondary prevention. Option D, all prevention. The right answer is option C, that is secondary prevention. Question number 50. Epidemiologic wave of causation was suggested by option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Robert Koch. Option C, McMahon and Pugh. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, that is McMahon and Pugh. Question number 51. Hypothesis is not treated by option A, descriptive studies. Option B, analytical studies. Option C, case control studies. Option D, cohort studies. The right answer is option A, that is descriptive studies. Question number 52. Presence of infectious agent on clothes or dressing is termed option A, contagion. Option B, infection. Option C, contamination. Option D, infestation. The right answer is option C, that is contamination. Question number 53. The analytical study where population is the unit of study is option A cohort studies, option B ecological studies, option C case control studies, option D field trials. The right answer is option B, that is ecological studies. Question number 54. Which of the following statements is true about the epidemiological determinants of measles? Option A. Measles virus survive outside the human body for 5 days. Option B. Carriers are a potent source of infection. Option C. Secondary attack rate is less than that of rubella. Option D. Incidence of measles is more in males than females. The right answer is option C, that is secondary attack rate is less than that of rubella. Question number 55. Which one of the following is not true about scabies? Option A. Transmitted by close contact. Option B. Itching is worse at night. Option C. Commonest seat of lesion is buttocks and groin. Option D. In babies, the head must also be treated with application of benzyl benzoate. The right answer is option D. That is, in babies, the head must also be treated with application of benzyl benzoate. Question number 56. The most appropriate test to assess the prevalence of tuberculosis infection in a community is option A. Mass miniature radiography. Option B. Sputum examination. Option B. Tuberculin test. Option D. Clinical examination. The right answer is option C, that is tuberculin test. Question number 57. Period of communicability of hepatitis B is option A. Disappearance of HBeAg and appearance of anti-HBe. Option B. Disappearance of HBsAg and appearance of anti-HBs. Option C. Appearance of anti-HBc and HBs. Option D. Disappearance of HBeAg and HBcAg. The right answer is option B. Question number 58. Which of the following is not correct incubation period of disease? Option A. Giardiasis 1 to 3 weeks. Option B. Diphtheria 2 to 6 weeks. Option C. Staphylococcal food poisoning 1 to 6 days. Option D. Japanese encephalitis 5 to 15 days. The right answer is option C. Question number 59. The post-exposure prophylaxis is indicated in option A. Rabies. Option B. Measles. Option C. Diphtheria. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 60. Chicken pox vaccine is option A. Killed vaccine. Option B. Live vaccine. Option C. Conjugate vaccine. Option D. None. The right answer is option B, that is live vaccine. Now question number 61. Which of the following are the criteria that should be satisfied by the anti-tubercular drugs? Option A. Highly effective. Option B. Free from side effect. Option C. Cheap. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 62. The most predominant type of polio virus during epidemics is option A. Combined infection of 2 and 3. Option B. Type 1. Option C. Type 2. Option D. Type 3. The right answer is option A, that is combined infection of 2 and 3. Question number 63. Best emergency sanitary measure to control cholera is option A. Chemoprophylaxis. Option B. Disinfection of stools. Option C. Mass vaccination. Option D. Provision of chlorinated water. The right answer is option D, that is provision of chlorinated water. Question number 64. All of the following factors are responsible for resurgence of malaria except option A. Antigenic mutations in parasite. Option B. Drug resistance in vectors. Option C. Use of bed nets. Option D. Insecticide resistance in vectors. The right answer is option C, that is use of bed nets. Question number 65. JE virus life cycle in nature run between option A. Birds pigs. Option B. Pigs mosquitoes. Option C. Pig human. Option D. Cattle birds. The right answer is option B, that is pig mosquitoes. Question number 66. The most effective way to prevent tetanus is option A. Antibiotics. Option B. Surgical debridement and toilet. Option C. Tetanus toxoid. Option D. None. The right answer is option C, that is tetanus toxoid. Question number 67. Persons with which of the following traits are resistant to P. vivax infection? Option A. Thalassemia. Option B. Sickle cell anemia. Option C. Duffy negative RBC. Option D. Hemoglobin F. The right answer is option C, that is Duffy negative RBC. From adult nursing, there will be 20 to 30% of the questions. Questions be like, which of the following should the nurse teach the client about the signs of digitalis toxicity? Option A, increased appetite. Option B, elevated blood pressure. Option C, skin rash over the chest and back. Option D, visual disturbances such as seeing yellow spots. The right answer is option D. Question number 69. A nurse is evaluating the renal function of a male client. After documenting urine volume and characteristics, a nurse assesses which sign as the best indicator of renal function. Option A, blood pressure. Option B, consciousness. Option C, distension of the bladder. Option D, pulse rate. The right answer is A, that is blood pressure. Question number 70. A nurse assesses vital signs on a client undergone epidural anesthesia. Which of the following would the nurse assess next? Option A, headache. Option B, bladder distension. Option C, dizziness. Option D, ability to move legs. The right answer is B, that is bladder distension. Question number 71. Hypertension is known as the silent killer. This phrase is associated with the fact that hypertension often goes undetected until symptoms of other failures occurs. This may occur in form of option A, cerebrovascular accident. Option B, liver disease. Option C, MI. Option D, pulmonary disease. The right answer is option A, that is cerebrovascular accident. Question number 72. A nurse in the emergency department is observing a 4-year-old child for signs of increased intracranial pressure after a fall from a bicycle, resulting in head trauma. Which of the following signs or symptoms would be cause for concern? Option A, bulging anterior fontanelle. Option B, repeated vomiting. Option C, signs of sleeping at 10 p.m. Option D, inability to read short words from a distance of 18 inch. The right answer is option B, that is repeated vomiting. Question number 73. 36-year-old female complains of headache and neck pain. The nurse assessments reveal painful flexion of the neck to the chest. The nurse understands that nuchal rigidity is associated with option A, brain tumor. Option B, CVA. Option C, meningitis. Option D, subdural hematoma. The right answer is option C, that is meningitis. Question number 74. The nurse obtains a specimen from clear fluid that is draining from the client's nose. To determine whether this fluid is mucus or cerebrospinal fluid, it should be tested for option A, pH level. Option B, specific gravity. Option C, glucose. Option D, microorganism. The right answer is C, that is glucose. Question number 75. In the immediate prospective period after a client has had brain surgery, the nurse should assess the client for option A, tachycardia. Option B, elevated diastolic pressure. Option C, constricted pupil. Option D, decreased level of consciousness. The right answer is D, that is decreased level of consciousness. Question number 76. The patient is suffering from COPD. To facilitate the respiration, the nurse will place the patient in option A, prone position. Option B, semi-floor position. Option C, low floor position. Option D, lying position. The right answer is option B, that is semi-floor position. Question number 77. The maximum volume of air that can be exhaled after taking the deepest breath possible is option A, expiration reserve volume. Option B, inspiration reserve volume. Option C, inspiratory capacity. Option D, vital capacity. The right answer is option D, that is vital capacity. Question number 78. Obstruction of the passageways in the respiratory tract may lead to option A, respiratory acidosis. Option B, respiratory alkalosis. Option C, metabolic acidosis. Option D, metabolic alkalosis. The right answer is option A, that is respiratory acidosis. Question number 79. What nursing intervention may improve ventilation perfusion matching in clients with acute respiratory distress syndrome ARDS who shows no improvement with increase in oxygen concentration administered? Option A, transfusion of packed red blood cell. Option B, infusion of albumin. Option C, prone positioning. Option D, positioning supine with head elevated 30 to 45 degree. The right answer is B, that is infusion of albumin. Question number 80. Commonest organism causing urinary tract infection is option A, Pseudomonas. Option B, E. coli. Option C, Yum tuberculosis. Option D, Streptococcus. The right answer is option B, that is E. coli. Question number 81. Which finding shows that peritoneal dialysis is effective? Option A, urine output increase. Option B, urine output decrease. Option C, potassium level falls. Option D, potassium level increase. The right answer is C, that is potassium level falls. Question number 82. The nurse in providing dietary teaching for a client with a history of uric acid kidney stones, which food should be avoided by the client on a urine restricted diet? Option A, red meat. Option B, coconut. Option C, milk. Option D, peanut butter. The right answer is option A, that is red meat. Question number 83. Which diet is appropriate for a nephrotic client with a normal glomerular filtration rate? Option A, increased protein. Option B, decreased carbohydrate. Option C, increased fat. Option D, decreased protein. The right answer is option D, that is decreased protein. Question number 84. A 47-year-old man with liver failure who has developed ascites. The nurse understands that ascites is due to option A, dehydration. Option B, protein deficiency. Option C, bleeding disorders. Option D, vitamin deficiency. The right answer is option B, that is protein deficiency. Question number 85. The pain associated with cholecystitis radiates to the option A, left flank. Option B, right hypochondrium. Option C, subscapular area. Option D, lumbar region. The right answer is option B. Question number 86. A client with dysphagia may experience difficulty in option A, writing, focusing, swallowing, understanding. The right answer is option C, that is swallowing. Question number 87. Question number 87. A patient is admitted to the same day surgery unit for liver biopsy. Which of the following laboratory test assesses coagulation? Option A, partial thromboplastin time. Option B, prothrombin time. Option C, platelet count. Option D, hemoglobin. The right answer is option B, that is prothrombin time. Question number 88. Which assessment finding provides the best evidence that a client has a bacterial infection? Option A, chest pain. B, dry cough. Option C, fever. Option D, dyspnea. The right answer is option C, that is fever. Question number 89. The nurse in the cardiac ward should observe for one of the more common complications of MI, which is option A, hypokalemia. Option B, anaphylactic shock. Option C, cardiac arrhythmia. Option D, cardiac enlargement. The right answer is option C, that is cardiac arrhythmia. Question number 90. What is the estimated maximum time person can be without cardiopulmonary function and still not experience permanent damage? Option A, 1 to 2 minutes. Option B, 4 to 6 minutes. Option C, 9 to 12 minutes. Option D, 12 to 15 minutes. The right answer is option B, that is 4 to 6 minutes. Question number 91. When a client is receiving anticoagulants, the nursing care should include observation for option A, nausea. Option B, headache. Option C, epistaxis. Option D, chest pain. The right answer is option C. Question number 92. The nurse realized that patient associated with a coronary osculation is caused primarily by option A, arterial spasm. Option B, ischemia of the heart muscle. Option C, blocking of coronary veins. Option D, irritation of nerve ending in the cardiac plexus. The right answer is option B. Question number 93. Hyposecretion of ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, results in option A, diabetes mellitus. Option B, diabetes insipidus. Option C, uremia. Option D, acromegaly. The right answer is option B, that is diabetes insipidus. Question number 94. Which diet does not nurse anticipate the newly admitted client with a diagnosis of Graves' disease? Option A, high caloric diet. Option B, low sodium diet. Option C, high roughage diet. Option D, mechanical soft diet. The right answer is option A, that is high caloric diet. Question number 95. Gland responsible for calcium metabolism is option A, thymus. Option B, thyroid. Option C, parathyroid. Option D, adrenal. The right answer is option C, that is parathyroid. Question number 96. A client has a fractured arm due to a sports injury. The nurse realizes which factor as having no direct effect on the client's bone healing process? Option A, the blood supply to the fracture site. Option B, the health of the client. Option C, the type of bone fracture. Option D, the client's calcium intake. The right answer is option D, that is the client's calcium intake. Question number 97. Which structure is mostly likely affected in gout? Option A, great toe. Option B, middle finger. Option C, index finger. Option D, little finger. The right answer is option A. that is great toe. Now from child health nursing there will be 10 to 15% questions. Question number 98 from child health nursing. What is most common cause of cellulitis, lymphangitis, meningitis, pneumonia, neonatal sepsis, dental caries and infective endocarditis? Option A streptococcus, option B staphylococcus, option C E. coli, option D pylori. The right answer is option A, that is streptococcus. Castle's necklace is seen in deficiency of option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B3, option C vitamin B6, option D vitamin D. The right answer is option B, that is vitamin B3. Question number 100. Which one of the following is not used in testing for adequate pasteurization of milk? Option A phosphate test, option B coliform count, option C standard plate count, option D methylene blue reduction test. The right answer is option D, that is methylene blue reduction test. Question number 101. The score in appearance section of Apgar when the body of newborn is pink but limbs blue is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 10. The right answer is option B, that is 1. Question number 102. All of the following are the common causes of child death except option A malnutrition, option B tetanus, option C diarrhea, option D ARI. The right answer is option B, that is tetanus. Next question. All are included in kangaroo mother care except option A skin to skin contact, option B early discharge and follow up, option C free nutritional supplements, option D exclusive breastfeeding. The right answer is option C, that is free nutritional supplement. Question number next. IMNCI includes all except option A tetanus, option B acute respiratory tract infection, option C measles, option D malaria. The right answer is option A, that is tetanus. Question number 105. Sensitivity parameter of combined pediatric and obstetric care in our country is option A IMR, option B PNMR, option C NNMR, option D NMR. The right answer is option B, that is PNMR. Next question. A 5-year-old girl presents to your clinic with joint swelling and pain associated with fever for 6 weeks. What is the most likely diagnosis? Option A JRA, option B rheumatic fever, option C rheumatoid arthritis, option D SLE. The right answer is option A, that is JRA. Question number 107. In normal delivery, breastfeeding should be started within option A half hour of delivery, option B 1 hour of delivery, option C 4 hours of delivery, option D 6 hours of delivery. The right answer is option B, that is 1 hour of delivery. Question number next. If the birth weight is 3 kg, by the end of 1 year of age it should become option A 6 kg, option B 9 kg, option C 12 kg, option D 15 kg. The right answer is option B, that is 9 kg. Next question. Which of the following trace element cannot be completely supplemented by diet during pregnancy? Option A iron, option B calcium, option C zinc, option D manganese. The right answer is option A, that is iron. Next question. Minimum amount of sunlight exposure necessary for adequate synthesis of vitamin D in the body is option A 5 minutes, option B 30 minutes, option C 2 hours, option D 5 hours. The right answer is A, that is 5 minutes. Next question. Late neonatal period means option A first 7 days of life, option B 7 to 28 days of life, option C first 28 days of life, option D 28 days to 1 year of life. The right answer is option B, that is 7 to 28 days of life. Question number 112. Very low birth weight means birth weight less than option A 2500 gram, option B 2000 grams, option C 1500 gram, option D 1000 gram. The right answer is option C, that is 1500 gram. Now from midwifery and gynecology there will be 20 to 30% of the questions. Question number 113. The commonest cause of death in carcinoma cervix is option A septicemia, option B hemorrhage, option C cachexia, option D renal failure. The right answer is option D, that is renal failure. Next question. Most reliable diagnosis of hydatidiform mole is by option A HCG estimation, option B amniography, Option C, ultrasound. Option D, absence of heart sound. The right answer is option C, that is ultrasound. Next question. A lady with 8th week of amenorrhea present with features of shock. The most likely diagnosis is option A, ruptured ectopic. Option B, septic abortion. Option C, missed abortion. Option D, H-mole. The right answer is A, that is ruptured ectopic. Question number next. Correct sequence in female puberty is option A, menarche, pubarche, thelarche. Option B, pubarche, menarche, thelarche. Option C, thelarche, menarche, pubarche. Option D, none. The right answer is option C. Question number 117. Fundal height is more than period of gestation in all except option A, hydramnions. Option B, twin pregnancy. Option C, H-mole. Option D, IUFD. The right answer is option D, that is IUFD. Next question. Mifepristone is not used in case of option A, ectopic pregnancy. Option B, molar pregnancy. Option C, threatened abortion. Option D, fibroid uterus. The right answer is option C, that is threatened abortion. Next question. Implantation bleeding is called option A, Hartmann's sign. Option B, Hoffman's signs. Option C, Ehlers-Stella sign. Option D, Ringe sign. The right answer is option A, that is Hartmann's sign. Question number 120. Peak level of serum beta HCG in normal pregnancy is found between option A, 7 to 9 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks, 12 to 16 weeks, 37 to 70 weeks. The right answer is option B, that is 8 to 10 weeks. Question number next. When administering magnesium sulfate to a client with preeclampsia, the nurse understands that this drug is given to option A, prevent seizures. Option B, slow the process of labor. Option C, reduce blood pressure. Option D, increase diuresis. The right answer is option A, that is prevent seizures. Next question. In dealing with a couple identified as having an infertility problem, the nurse knows that option A, infertility is usually psychological in origin. Option B, infertility and sterility are essentially the same problem. Option C, the couple has been unable to have a child after trying for a year. Option D, one partner has a problem that makes that person unable to have children. The right answer is option C. Question number 123. Closure of foramen ovule after birth is caused by option A, decrease in the aortic blood flow. Option B, a decrease in pressure in the left atrium. Option C, an increase in the pulmonary blood flow. Option D, an increase in the presence in the right atrium. The right answer is option C, that is an increase in the pulmonary blood flow. Question number 124. Premature rupture of membrane is rupture of membrane before option A, beyond 28 weeks before onset of labor. Option B, beyond 28 weeks after onset of labor. Option C, before 28 weeks before onset of labor. Option D, before 28 weeks after onset of labor. The right answer is option A. Question number 125. What is the characteristic of android pelvis? Option A, flat sacrum, coccyx movable, spine prominent, pubic arch wide. Option B, flat sacrum, coccyx oval, spine prominent, pubic arch narrow. Option C, well hallowed sacrum, coccyx movable, spine not prominent, pubic arch wide. Option D, deeply hollowed sacrum, coccyx immovable, pubic arch narrow, spine not prominent. The right answer is option A. Question number 126. A early manifestation of cancer of the cervix that should prompt a client to seek medical care is option A, abdominal heaviness. Option B, pressure on the bladder. Option C, foul smelling discharge. Option D, bloody spotting after intercourse. The right answer is option D. Next question. A 15-year-old client complains of persistent dysmenorrhea. The nurse should encourage her to option A, maintain daily activities. Option B, have a gynecologic examination. Option C, practice relaxation of abdominal muscles. The right answer is option B, that is have a gynecologic examination. Next question. A pregnant woman is avoided lying on her back. What is the rationale behind this? Option A, unduly prolonged labor. Option B, decreased placental perfusion. Option C, transient episodes of hypertension. Option D, interference with free movement of the coccyx. The right answer is option B, that is decreased placental perfusion. Next, Embryo means the developing organism from about option A 4 weeks after fertilization to the end of 8th week period, option B 2 weeks after fertilization to the end of 8th week period, option C 2 weeks after fertilization to the end of 4th week period, option D 4 weeks after fertilization to the end of 10th week period. The right answer is option B. Question number 130. A nurse is caring for a postpartum client who is formula feeding. What should the nurse teach her about minimizing breast discomfort? Option A. Apply covered ice pack to her breast. Option B. Gently apply cocoa butter to her nipples. Option C. Place warm, wet washcloths on her nipples. Option D. Manually express colostoms from her breast. The right answer is option A, that is apply covered ice packs to her breast. Next question. The following are the changes in the uterus during pregnancy except option A. Uterine cavity enlarges by 500 to 1000 times. Option B. The body of uterus enlarges more than the fundus. Option C. Uteroplacental blood flow increases to about 500 to 600 milliliter per minute. Option D. During Braxton Hicks contraction there is a stagnation of blood in the intervillous space. The right answer is option B. Question number 132. The following symptoms are related to ectopic pregnancy except option A. Acute abdominal pain with history of amenorrhea. Option B. Abdominal pain and bleeding for vaginum. Option C. Fainting attack and shoulder tip pain. Option D. Painless continued vaginal bleeding. The right answer is option D. Question number 133. The nurse is teaching a postpartum about breastfeeding. Which instructions should the nurse include? Option A. The diet should include some additional fluid. Option B. Prenatal vitamins should be discontinued. Option C. Soap should be used to clean the breast. Option D. Birth control measures are unnecessary while breastfeeding. The right answer is option A. Next question. A client in preterm labor, 31 week, who is dilated to 4 cm has been started on magnesium sulfate and contraction has stopped. If the client labor can be inhibited for the next 8 hours, the nurse anticipates a prescription for which medication? Option A. Nalbuphine. Option B. Betamethasone. Option C. RHD immunoglobulin. Option D. Dinoprostone vaginal insert. The right answer is option B. Question number 135. In within the fertilized ovum is implanted in the uterine wall. Option A. 12 hours, 24 hours, 4th day, 6th day. The right answer is option D, that is 6th day. Next question. The registered nurse is making assignments for the day. Which client should be assigned to the pregnant nurse? Option A. The client receiving linear accelerator radiation therapy for lungs cancer. Option B. Client with a radium implant for cervical cancer. Option C. The client who has just been administered soluble brachytherapy for the thyroid cancer. Option D. The client who returned from placental of iridium seeds for prostate cancer. The right answer is option D. Next question. Breast milk is baby's first immunization. Antimicrobial factor present in the breast milk is option A. Macrophage. Option B. Secretory phage. Option C. Lysozyme. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option B, that is secretory phage. Question number 138. Which family planning method is permanent method? Option A. Barrier method. Option B. Hormonal. Option C. Sterilization. Option D. Combined. The right answer is option C, that is sterilization. Question number 139. The nurse is differentiating between cephalohematoma and caput succedaneum. What adaptation is unique to caput succedaneum? Option A. Scalp over the area is tender. Option B. Edema crosses the suture line. Option C. Edema increases during the first day. Option D. Scalp over the area become ecchymosed. The right answer is option B. Question number 140. Which is the organ of dual origin? Option A. Fetus, umbilical cord, yolk sac, placenta. The right answer is option B, that is umbilical cord. Question number 141. Following conditions are responsible for nipple discharge except option A. Hyperprolactinemia. Option B. Lactation. Option C. Dust ectasia. Option D. Mechanical stimulation. The right answer is option C, that is duct ectasia. Question number 142. Principal blood valves during pregnancy are all except option A. Blood volume rise by 40%. Option B, plasma volume rise by 50%. Option C, red blood cell rise by 20%. Option D, hematocrit rise by 10%. The right answer is option C, that is red blood cell rise by 20%. Now from leadership and management there will be 5 to 7% of the questions. Like next question from leadership and management. Establishment of a standard, measurement of performance, finding out the reasons for deviation and taking corrective actions are the steps of option A, planning, option B, organizing, option C, leading and directing, option D, controlling. The right answer is option D, that is controlling. Question 144. If leaders are using A&M before a staff nurse are lacking in the institute, here leaders are following which management principles? Option A, management by objective, option B, division of labor, option C, substitution of resources, option D, learning from experience. The right answer is option C. Next question. Main disadvantage of autocratic leadership is option A, it can increase efficiency, option B, it helps to get quick result, option C, it has one-way communication, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, that is it has one-way communication. Next question. A nurse came across a theory which states that the leadership style is effective dependent on the situation. Which of the following styles best fits a situation when the followers are self-directed, experts and rematured individuals? Option A, democratic, option B, autocratic, option C, laissez-faire, option D, bureaucratic. The right answer is option C, that is laissez-faire. Next question. A person emphasized to the team that they need to put their efforts together towards the attainment of the goals of the program. Which of the following principle refers to this? Option A, span of control, option B, unit of direction, option C, unity of command, option D, command responsibility. The right answer is option B, that is unit of direction. Question number 148. According to NDHS 2016, a stunting amount under 5 children is option A, 41%, option B, 36%, option C, 13%, option D, 10%. The right answer is option B, that is 36%. Question number 149. Expanded program on immunization, that is EPI, was initiated in Nepal in option A, 1970 AD, 1977 AD, 1979 AD, 1981 AD. The right answer is option B. Last question. Question number 150. Most common cause of maternity in Nepal is option A, PPH, option B, eclampsia, option C, obstructed labor, option D. The right answer is what? You all have to give the answer in the comment section. So go to the comment section now and give your answers. Good luck for your answers. And that's all for today. If you like the video, then please like this video and do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you.